First, you start with a 2-liter Coke bottle. Drill a 3/8 inch hole in the lid. Buy some 3/8 inch outside diameter vinyl tubing. Then cut the top off. Push the tubing through the lid. And then you get your shop vac. Make sure it's empty. Put a gallon jug inside. Put the tubing through the inlet of the shop vac and into the gallon jug. Make sure the tubing only goes in about 1/4 of the way. Now this is where the magic happens. Turn the shop vac on and it sucks the Coke bottle right in and seals everything up, and now the vacuum is going through the vinyl tubing. Let's see what it'll do with just some water. This is sped up, but it took about 30 seconds to empty that amount of water. And inside the shop vac, completely dry. All the liquid went into the gallon jug, not a drop inside the shop vac. Just to prove it's real, I poured it back into this jug. Now let's try it on the real thing. Start your lawnmower up and let it run for a while to get the oil warm. Turn the shop vac on, stick it in the fill hose. I tipped it up a little bit to make sure I got everything out of the crankcase. Next, I sucked the oil out of my 8-horse snapper lawnmower. It took about 3 minutes to suck this oil out. This thing works great. You don't spill any oil, no draining oil, no mess. This will make your spring mower maintenance much easier. If you like my videos, please subscribe and share. There are more coming.